Hi. This video is all about whatever difficulties you are having when you are preparing for GATE exam. You can be in college, you can be colleges, or you can be a working professional in any company and you are preparing for GATE aerospace exam, but some kind of difficulties what you are facing. So almost every year when I gather students for the coaching, one more thing, if you are very new to my channel and this is the first video you're watching, then I will suggest you to spend 2 to 3 days, 4 days on my channel and get all the ideas about me and my channel. So in short, I take classes for GATE aerospace engineering from long time, and I upload academic videos and these kind of GATE guidance videos. So this is one kind of GATE guidance videos to all of you. Okay, so because I have a lot of experience, like how students are facing difficulties when they are preparing for GATE exam, what kind of difficulties they have. So I have got some very good like ideas, like how can you overcome those difficulties. Like if you are in school, sorry, if you are in your college, then you have to go through your college work, and then some kind, if you are staying at home, then there also you have some assigned work what you cannot skip, of course, like your mom's work. So in that, but at the same time, if you are preparing seriously for GATE exam, then your course length itself like will demand some time. Okay, so let's discuss one by one, like what kind of problem, how should you tackle. So this video will be somewhat lengthy because just now I have started the recording, but as per my experience, whenever I make these kind of videos, it used to be of 20 to 30 minutes something. So I will not bother about video length, I will talk naturally as I used to talk. But before that, one more thing. This video I'm recording from Bangalore. This is my first video from Bangalore. One more interesting thing I want to share. Like it is good thing. Like first time I got sponsored. Like I got flight tickets and hotel and all the lodging, fooding. Other like they are paying me for all the thing, and I have to take a 2 days lecture in Bangalore. And the subject was aerodynamics, but because of terms and conditions I can't reveal the name, and only thing is you can, only the hotel name is in Bangalore. This location I forgot. This hotel name is Purple Cloud Airport. Some hotel is there near to airport. So last day on 14th, I had first lecture here as a guest lecturer. I was here. It was a different feeling. I thought I will make a kind of vlog video for this purpose, but because of lack of time I could not. And today also I have to take lecture, but I got some free time, so I thought, okay, let's make one kind of educational video so that I can help you. And one more thing, I got one more opportunity from Chhattisgarh also. I am getting call to be there and to give lecture on aircraft propulsion. But only thing is, when like in these kind of opportunities, they don't allow us to record the session. Okay, like we have some terms and conditions, like I cannot record the session. Okay, so see the first problem, when you are preparing for GATE exam, how will you manage your time? So see, you should bother about natural allowed time, like how much natural time is available with you. So first, suppose you are a college student and you have to manage your college. So one thing, if you think that like 7 to 6 hours in a week, one day, if you study for GATE exam, somehow you will complete the syllabus and you will attempt the GATE exam. No, it is totally wrong idea. For GATE exam, almost every day, one or 2 days you can skip, but almost every day you have to study for GATE exam. So if you are like if you are third year student or if you are final year student, then how will you find time every day? So because you have some college work, assignment work and project work is going on for some students, so you don't find time for GATE preparation. So see what I'm saying, you don't find time for 2 hours, 3 hours, you don't find time for 1.5 hours. Somehow 1 hour find you time. Your time should be for minimum 1 hour. GATE preparation you should have every day GATE preparation. Only that day you should skip your GATE preparation one day before your university exam. For example, tomorrow if you have your university exam for mathematics, and then today completely you can be focused for your university exam. Today no need to discuss, no need to study for GATE exam. But other than that, if you are busy in the project work, or if you have some other type of work uh, which is assigned from your college, do that, but somehow find out 1 hour. Same thing goes for those people who are working professionals. They are working in different companies or MNCs, or like somewhere if in government sector or something, but they are also preparing for GATE Aerospace Engineering. One thing I want to mention here, many students are asking, sir, I am BTech in mechanical engineer, can I take aerospace as a good one? Like, can I take GATE exam in aerospace department? Sometimes students are asking, sir, after taking mechanical engineering, and then is it good for aerospace? So see, only one line answer, it depends on you. Means whatever difficulties you are going to face, you have to face that difficulty because you are switching your branch. But again, if you are if your background is not aerospace, but you have your MTech time for 2 years, right? That time you will improve. So no problem. If you are from different background, you have to sit extra than other students. When other students will be playing badminton or cricket or something in their free time, that time you have to understand the basics of aerospace department. So even though you are from different background in your UG undergraduate, but your PG, your masters, you want to pursue from MTech, no problem. You have sufficient time, you can go through the basics. Okay. So okay, now for those people who are like working professional, or some students are doing internship, that is also kind of work in company. So you are doing internship but you are not having proper time. So see, understand, can you find 1 hour either in day or afternoon or night? Do that, assign that time for GATE Aerospace. But in Kane Prakaren, somehow you are not able to manage 1 hour, it means really you are very busy. But see, this kind of day should be either 1 or 2 in entire 7 days of week. Okay, but if you are having 3 to 4 days of disturbance in a week, it will spoil your GATE preparation. Okay, understand, roughly 80% student, they only complete the syllabus in their notebook, and they think this is our GATE preparation. No guys, in GATE preparation you have to complete your syllabus. This is one thing. After that, you have to practice that syllabus. Then you have to memorize all the important formulas. After that, you have to go through test series. You need time. If you are very beginner or if you are non-aero student, see, all the beginner student, consider yourself as non-aero students. Imagine you are from electrical background. Even though your graduation in aerospace is from aerospace department, your UG level, BTech or BE you are doing for aerospace, but if you are preparing for GATE exam, then you consider that you are not from aerospace department. You are from some civil or electrical or some, like that much dedication. You should not underestimate this. Okay, you do everyday preparation. If you don't have enough time, in that case only, like forcefully try to cut 1 hour for GATE exam. How will you cut? From where will you cut? It depends. Okay, suppose you are sleeping for 7 hours, then there also you can cut some time. You sleep for see, whatever I am talking, practically it can be possible if you will work like a machine. Definitely it can be possible. You sleep only for 6.5 hours, so half hours you can manage there. Like some people, they bath for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. There also you can find some time. I mean to say, 1 hour every day in any case, can you prepare for GATE exam? You know, it is not about preparation. It is about making yourself continuous into this preparation. Okay, what is tough? Self-discipline is tough. But you are not preparing for some diploma. You are preparing for GATE exam. I am not underestimating diploma students. I am very sorry for them. But of course, GATE level is of different level. See, you can be from any department, aerospace or something. GATE preparation, you have to find out 1 hour time every day. Minimum 1 hour time, I'm saying. To whom I'm making this video? This video is not for those students who are giving 4 to 8 hours every day for GATE preparation. Okay. This video is for those students who are confused how to manage time. So how to manage time means you try. If you are extremely busy, but can you find out 1 hour? can you find out somehow 1 hour? In that 1 hour, what are you going to do? See, in that 1 hour, don't study new thing. You revise old things, whatever lectures you have covered. Okay, you know that all the classes whatever I am teaching on Zoom, all the classes are being recorded. Okay, so you have live facility also, you have online this facility also to take the class. After that, whatever notes you are making, those notes you revise in that 1 hour. In that 1 hour, you don't study anything, because that 1 hour is very less time. If you turn some 10 pages, 1 hour gone. Okay, so that's why revision part is done. Of course, you can prepare some new lectures also in half an hour, something. But this is how you have to manage your time. You have to find out 1 hour. Where can you cut your time? Suppose there is any day, suppose Monday, you are totally busy. You don't have any time. You say, sir, 24 hours I'm busy. So that Monday, you compromise half an hour sleep. And best part, you can compromise that day, you don't talk to anyone on phone call. I mean, if there is official call, of course you talk. If call from your senior or call from your company or call from any urgent party, then definitely you talk. But if you're talking some 10-15 minutes to your parents or to friends or something, there you can cut your only on Monday. Only on Monday means that the day what you are saying, it is extremely busy for you. That time you can that day you don't talk to anyone. 1 hour you can find out. In this 1 hour, is it very is it really worth 1 hour? Man, you don't know the magic of 1 hour. In 1 hour, if every concept is in touch, if everything is like well written on your notebook, then in 1 hour you can revise that. I'm not saying to revise the entire thing. Naturally, how much you can revise, you revise. Then you will feel that, okay, today also I have given 1 hour for GATE exam. It means if you are preparing for GATE exam, every day you can touch your GATE syllabus. Okay, and of course, somehow you have to give some more time in your free days. In your free days, you can compensate this time there also. See, actually, when you are preparing for GATE exam and if you are free, most of the time students are feeling sleepy. In that, there is very best solution. Don't eat much. Make some liquid diet. Liquid diet means some lemon juice, orange juice, or some kind of liquid diet, so that you should not feel sleepy. And if you are very free, don't do that much gym that day, or don't walk so much. Some people are very new, like in free time, na, they will plan gym, they will plan cycling, they will plan something, and they will be tired also. So like these kind of things, if you take care, you can easily find 1 hour. So in busy, like extremely busy day also, can you cut 1 hour? You see where you're wasting your time. You can definitely cut your 1 hour. Okay, so now I have some, okay, these things you leave. Now I want to say something. So last day I was taking classes for aerodynamics. It was amazing session. And today also I have to take class for aerodynamics. Again, it will be amazing session. So these kind of offers I was getting from Canada in 2002, in after lockdown, in 20, yes, lockdown was in 2020 March, correct? After that, in 2020 itself, after lockdown, I was getting such kind of offers that pilots from Canada, like, sir, you physically be here in Canada and then you teach. And there also flight cost and everything, and hotel and everything, lodging, fooding, they were taking care. But that time, because of COVID, and I was not that much ready that, okay, I can be there for teaching purpose. In India, for GATE Aerospace, that's why I'm not taking any offline classes. I'm totally taking online classes, because online classes I can take from anywhere, right? And see, I strongly believe if teacher is good, then class is online or offline does not matter. And if teacher is not good, if teacher is not able to explain the main concept, then even though teacher is sitting in front of you on whiteboard or green board or blackboard, he cannot explain or she cannot explain. So online or offline, it depends on teacher. So this is one thing. Now, little bit excitement I had that, okay, I have to visit Bangalore, and I have like all these when I used to fly, then I used to spend my own like savings and something. Okay, I have to take flight and something. But this is the first time people are sponsoring me for the classes. Like it is a different. So I thought I will share this to my subscribers and to new viewers as well. So if you are new, stay here, spend some time on my YouTube channel. Almost every topic I have uploaded on my channel. Small clips, also live classes I have uploaded. If you are preparing for 2023, then don't miss the aircraft structure day 1 class completely. I have uploaded on YouTube recently. Monday we have aircraft structure day 2 class. Sorry, day 3 class. So day 2 class I have not uploaded on YouTube, but day 1 class is very important. So there I have given some so you should visit. If you have done day 1 class aircraft structure, if you like that, join the class immediately. Okay, sessions are going on, May month is going on. When will you plan to prepare GATE exam? Already you guys are late if you have not joined any coaching center. Either make yourself and sit and study for self-study for GATE exam, or join any coaching center. But don't think yet that when to prepare. Guys, if you are beginner, you will take 2 years to prepare GATE exam. Beginner in the sense, if you have completed your degree, you consider yourself beginner. Only those people are not beginner who have already prepared 1 year for GATE exam. Okay, otherwise it will take 2 years. Roughly 9 months it takes to prepare all the subjects for GATE Aerospace Engineering. And if you are a very good student, then that you can cover in 7 months also, 8 months also. And after that you have to go through all the test series, assignment, homework, blah blah things. And that's all. Only for this purpose I was making this video, so that I can do some show off that I am in Bangalore and my flight tickets were free, my hotel is free, lodging, food, blah blah things. And that's all. Thank you so much. And take admission, guys. Take admission as soon as possible. Take admission. Classes are going on. So different what to say, courses are there for you. Total 19 different courses I have designed for GATE Aerospace 2023 and onwards preparation. Maximum number of test series than any other coaching center I am giving, with detailed solution. And one more thing I want to aware: whenever you are taking any test series from any coaching center, definitely you should ask them solution is there or not, because solution is very important. Last year also many students, they called me when I was taking classes for 2022 batch. That time they said, sir, I only want solution of these questions. These questions are test series questions from different institute. Now you see. So even one more advice to different institute: if you guys are selling your test series questions, make solution so that other students can be comfortable. Because if only question is there and if there is no solution, then if student will get stuck, student is doing right or wrong, how the student will understand? And if student is on right track but somehow by mistake student is not getting the right answer, so solution is important. Okay, solution is very important. So in my test series I have detailed solution. I'm telling you, you visit my YouTube channel in detail, spend some 3-4 days and decide immediately that you have to take action. This light is just a minute. I'll get this. Light आ रही थी ना आँख पे सीधे. Okay. So I hope it's clear. You guys should start preparation for GATE exam, and if you are already preparing, do not waste your time. As soon as possible, complete your syllabus. And if you are already into my coaching center, then don't worry. I have made everything, like all the designs, everything ready. When to take which subject, how long will it take, when the syllabus will get over. This is my duty. I am doing that very well. Don't worry. So if you're in my coaching center, you don't have to worry about which book, blah blah things. I'm taking care. But if you're in someone else coaching center, then timeline, time parameter, it makes it is really very important. When are you finishing your syllabus? By the October end, you should finish your syllabus, so that the next 3 months you can practice hard. 3 things are very important: completion of subject, then all the complete practice, and then revision and test series. Okay, so in my coaching center I give 2 to 3 times extra revision for the entire course. Okay, because already if you will be in live class, then that is one thing. Other than that, 2 revisions, and then this guy in crash course also, my all live class students will join the crash course program also for free, because it is included in their package. Okay, that's all from my side. Thank you so much.